Learn every day for a better life. Maintaining a long-distance relationship can be challenging, but it is possible with effort and commitment. Here are some tips on how to maintain a long-distance relationship. Communication is key. Regular and open communication is essential for maintaining a long-distance relationship. Schedule regular video calls or phone calls to catch up on each other's lives. Make an effort to stay connected. Send messages or emails throughout the day to show your partner that you're thinking of them. Share photos, videos, and other updates to stay connected. Plan visits. Plan visits to see each other in person, even if it's just for a weekend. This can help you both feel more connected and give you something to look forward to. Trust each other. Trust is crucial in any relationship, but it's especially important in a long-distance relationship. Be honest and transparent with each other, and trust that your partner is doing the same. Support each other. Be there for your partner during tough times, and celebrate their successes and accomplishments. A little bit of support can go a long way in maintaining a strong relationship. Having shared experiences is an important aspect of maintaining a strong connection in any relationship, especially a long-distance one. Here are some tips on how to have shared experiences. Watch movies or TV shows together. Use streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime to watch movies or TV shows together. Coordinate the start time, and use a chat app to share your reactions and thoughts throughout the show. Play online games together. There are many online games that you can play together, such as multiplayer video games or mobile games. This can be a fun way to spend time together and engage in friendly competition. Share a hobby or interest. Find a hobby or interest that you both enjoy and do it together, even if you're apart. For example, you can both take an online course or participate in an online challenge. Read the same book. Choose a book to read and discuss together. This can be a great way to have shared experiences and engage in meaningful conversations. Take virtual tours. Many museums, art galleries, and other cultural institutions offer virtual tours or experiences. Choose one to experience together and discuss what you liked or learned. Maintaining any kind of relationship can have its pitfalls, and a long-distance relationship is no exception. Here are some pitfalls to avoid in a long-distance relationship. Not trusting each other. Trust is essential in any relationship, but it's especially important in a long-distance one. Avoid being overly suspicious or paranoid, as this can damage the trust between you and your partner. Focusing too much on the negatives. It's easy to focus on the negatives in a long-distance relationship, such as the distance or the challenges of being apart. Avoid dwelling on these negatives and instead focus on the positive aspects of your relationship. Neglecting self-care. Maintaining a long-distance relationship can be emotionally draining, so it's important to prioritize self-care. Avoid neglecting your own needs and make sure to take time for yourself. Remember, maintaining a long-distance relationship takes effort and commitment from both partners. By being proactive, communicative, and supportive, you can maintain a strong connection with your partner, no matter the distance. Subscribe to make your life better.